like that. Maybe we need something that we need to fix our life, maybe ourselves firstly, and then we even though like that we can judge someone else. I mean like that. Yeah. So according that you have been saying just have been saying.
Everyone should judge himself.
Yeah, you said no judge.
Hypocrite bahasa Inggris. Bahasa itu munafik. Allah. Munafik. Hypocrite.
Hypocrite.
Concern.
Munafik.
Like you said, you want to learn idea and Brazil English Brazil. So there is something that you want to learn, maybe like in our religion that you want to learn Arabic. Like now maybe you want to learn the word of Islam, like Tawheed, like that.
Allah.
Maybe you want to learn it. It's a part of your busy time in learning Brazil idea.
Yeah, of course. I do also want to improve my, knowledge about religion, Islam, about Tawheed, and also about the knowledge of heart, purifying heart, and tasawwuf, and then also the knowledge of Salah, fiqh.
Fake.
So the point is what the most important of both of them, all of them, maybe idea, result and result and what the most important
Important is
now